everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I'm going to continue with my series that has been inspired by Molly from Molly's Artistry. And again, I will post a link to her channel down below. I'm certain you already all know about her, but she's amazing. If you haven't watched Molly, then check her out for sure. But what I've got is another 12 by 24 inch canvas today. And the series that I've been doing, if you haven't seen mine, are black and white background with purple, gold, maroon, blue, and nickel azo gold. Bits of color on top in different forms, different ways each time. So today, I'm going to start by flooding with the white and then putting some black on and kind of swirling it around. And then putting the color on top. I will have all of my colors in detail and my pouring medium, which is simply half glue and half Floetrol, with a little water if I need to make them all of equal consistency. And that's it. It'll all be in the description box for you. I've already got my canvas taped and the push pins put in. So I'm ready to rock and roll. I will probably definitely be speeding up pouring the and spreading the base coat. I'm not sure about the rest of it yet. We'll see how long the video is. I try to keep them all around 20 minutes. So if I have to speed it up so that you don't get bored, that's what I'll do. But I'm going to put on some music and let's paint. So here are the final wet results. I really like it. I thinned down the black cell activator just a little bit with a little more Floetrol today because it didn't want to sell as well as I'd like it to yesterday. However, as you can see, it did kind of break apart as I tilted, because I did do a lot of tilting. But you know what? I like it. I do. I think it looks kind of cool. We'll see how it dries. See the broken cells there? I'm sorry, the focusing is not going well. Let's see. That's better. I think it's kind of cool. There's some lacing, but yet it's kind of broken apart at the same time. I love the contrast of the colors with the monochrome black and white background. I really do. I'll have to see. This one might be similar enough to be a diptych with the first one, but then I'm not sure. And I'll link the other two videos here at the end. You're probably seeing them already. So take care. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And even share my videos. It really does help my channel grow. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. For those of you who have already subscribed, you're the best. Thank you. Love to all. Take care of yourselves. And you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.